The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is outlining its new guidance for social distancing in classrooms. Not on your side's Ford Sanders shares more with school officials across the East on their feelings towards this next step.
The CDC has released a new recommendation saying schools can operate at just 3 feet of social distancing. Now, this guideline comes for the entire nation, but North Carolina legislation has already put this in place for schools in the state.
Getting kids back has been the ultimate goal all along.
A goal that now seems closer than ever. Friday, the CDC released new guidelines stating students can now be 3 feet apart in a classroom setting.
And we'll just continue to really stress the mask wearing at all times, compliance with that, and our other protocols, hand washing, hand sanitizing.
Karen Harrington is Pitt County Schools Director of Student Services. She says that under guidelines from the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, 3 feet of distance has already been their norm.
We have already been where we're recommended to stay at 6 feet, but it is allowed within the classroom to have less than that. And we've kind of gone to the 3 feet or 1 meter recommendation.
That guidance, known as Plan A, already being applied to their elementary students. She's concerned that when middle and high schoolers move to the plan, there may be a spike, but she remains hopeful.
It may lead to more quarantines, but even with the higher number of quarantines at the elementary, we have had very, very little transmission.
Hyde County School Superintendent Steve Bassnight says the pandemic was strange for the smallest school district in the state.
We've got limited staff. So we didn't have the luxury of creating a virtual academy. So our staff has had to teach both the in-person class and the remote students.
And as new guidelines come out, hope remains.
Whatever way we can get more students back connected face-to-face, I think it's a good thing.
School district officials tell me this is just one of the steps that they're taking to help restore normalcy in their schools. No new recommendations have been put out on when schools can operate fully in person. In the newsroom, Ford Sanders, 9 on your side.